Build your own solar panel in 3 minutes. Ever wondered if you could harness the power of the sun, right from your own backyard? Today, I'm breaking down how you can make your very own solar panel. Yep, the real deal. Basic tools, a handful of solar cells, and a little bit of patience. You'll need individual solar cells, which you can buy online. Get a piece of plywood for your base, some tabbing wire, a soldering iron, a flux pen, a sheet of glass, and a junction box. Oh, and don't forget a multimeter to test your work as you go. Step 1. Lay out your solar cells. Most panels use 36 cells for a standard 12-volt setup. Arrange them in rows. Make sure the positive and negative sides alternate. This is where your soldering skills come in. Carefully connect the cells using the tabbing wire, then solder them with the soldering iron. Take your time, solar cells are fragile. Once you've got your rows, solder them together, linking the end of one row to the start of the next. This creates a series circuit, which adds up the voltage of each cell. Double-check your connections with a multimeter. If you're getting close to 18 volts, you're on the right track. Now mount the cells on your plywood backing. Use a tiny bit of silicone adhesive to keep each cell in place. Don't press too hard, remember, they're delicate. Once everything's secure, place your glass sheet over the top to protect the cells from weather and dust. Seal the edges with silicone to keep moisture out. Next, attach the junction box to the back. This is where all your wires come together. Connect your panel to a battery or connect it to an inverter. Solder the panel's wires to the junction box terminals. Again, check your voltage with the multimeter. If it's all good, you're almost there. Finally, set your panel outside and angle it toward the sun. Watch as it starts to generate clean, free electricity. You just built a solar panel from scratch. Power a shed, charge your gadgets, or just geek out on renewable energy. Give it a shot and let the sun do the heavy lifting. Thanks for watching and keep building. Subscribe for more DIY energy builds. See the safety notes and parts list in the description. New videos every week.